Hi cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw my Draw So Cute Arctic Fox. So let's get started. To draw this Arctic Fox, we're going to first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. So nice size eyes. Big circle. And let's come right across, just leaving enough space for a little nose. So say about right here. Go ahead and draw another circle. And now that we have the circles in, let's go in there and make them Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that we have the eyes in, let's come to the edge right here, and I'm going to draw a lash that comes out. So it's just a curve on both sides. And from this curve, we're just going to imagine this coming around, and over right here, I'm going to draw a slight angle line coming down on both sides. From there, let's go ahead and draw the nose about right here in the center. So about right here, I'm going to draw a curve and then round it off and connect it at the bottom of the curve. And then I'm just going to come in here and shade it in so it's easier for you to see and give it a little highlight at the top. Okay, so then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and fix and darken these lines. Okay, finally. From there, let's start to draw the face. So I'm going to come to where we started the eye. So say about right here at the top of this eye, I'm going to come out a little bit and we're going to start to draw the side of the face. So I'm going to say about right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. So same thing on this side. So about right here, and start to draw the curve. And we're going to basically start to frame the face right here. So I'm going to start right here, and in this area, I'm just going to draw maybe, let's say, 2 tufts of fur. And about right there, I'm going to start to bring a curve in. So same thing over here. Just zigzags and bring it in. And so we're going to get really close under this nose. So it's going to come at a sharper point. So right under the nose. It's going to be where our lowest point's going to be. And then from there, let's go back up to there. There. So I had the basic shape for our Arctic Fox here. Now let's bring this curve up. So we're going to slant up on both sides. Okay, so from there I'm just going to, because I'm using a Sharpie, I'm just going to imagine this curve going all the way through. But if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this curve. So I'm just going to say about right here, I'm going to start a curve. There, so I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve at the top, approximate, and leaving some space open for the ears. So then let's bring this down a little bit more, and I'm going to work on this side first. So in this area we've created, I'm going to draw the ear. So about right here, let's come up Soften the edge right here and just bring it down. And let's bring this down a little bit more. And I'm going to create this little tuft of fur right here. So just draw a curve right there. And in this area, go ahead and draw maybe 3 tufts of fur and connect. And right here, just follow your outside. It's okay, so same thing over here. And then we have that in. Let's bring this, whoops, right there. We're going to draw the other ear. So same thing over here. It's approximate. So let's go up. And we're going to drag this point across. Soften the edge and bring it back down. Okay, so once again, we're going to do the same thing. Let's come about right here, draw a curve, follow the outside, and then right here, draw some tufts of fur and connect it back. Okay, finally, and then let's come here, almost forgot. Above each eye, I'm just going to draw a small little curve to finish it off. Okay, finally we're done with the face, now the body. And I'm going to center it, so say about right here and here. We're going to start to draw some fur. So just bring this down and zigzag a little bit on both sides. And just bring this down more. And then before we go all the way down, let's come in this area and we draw a tuft of fur for the chest area. So I'm going to come about right here and I'm going to zigzag and aim towards the center. Give a curve and then go back up. And once again, zigzag and in. Then from this point, this is my center area. I'm going to come about right here. Just being aware of my center, and I'm going to use this to draw a curve that comes to the center to draw the front legs. So about right there, I'll go ahead and curve this in. And let's go ahead and draw the back of the legs, side right here, and connect. And put 2 little curves right here, and same thing over here. And 2 little curves. Okay, so in between, if you have any space, just go ahead and connect it with a little curve, and then let's finish this part. So we're just going to bring this down, come out a little bit, and then round it off, and tuck it in. Okay, so then now for the tail, I'm going to come about right here, just coming down. I now have this tail right here, so I'll bring this down a little bit more. And then in this area, I'm just going to go ahead, draw a curve, come close to the leg, front legs, and zigzag my tail. So just draw a curve, and in this area about right here, I'm going to go ahead and curve it all the way around. And zigzag and connect. So then go ahead and just finish this curve in, and whatever space you have left here, just add a line to finish it. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without a heart right here to make it my jaw, so cute Arctic fox. And that is pretty much it for the drawing. But if you want to add some background to it, you can come about right here and just draw some snow. So curves, if you like. And then you can draw some snowflakes if you like. So here and there, I'm just gonna very randomly draw some simplified snowflakes. here and there. Okay, and then you can just draw circles for snow as well, not just snowflakes. It's all up to you. So there, that's pretty much it for my Draw So Cute Arctic Fox, and I hope this inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.